Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to dive in a sensational AI tool that is... Most AI presentation tools selling you one thing, speed. But speed is useless if you still wouldn't send it to a client. Today, I'm testing Dokie AI, and I'm focusing on 3 features. 1. MCP inside Codex. 2. Custom brand templates. 3. Visual designer with GPT image tool for real image assets. And for every feature, you will see the same loop prompt generates final result. Okay, let's get into it. In case you don't know the domain is dokie.ai, and you can find some usable link in our description of this video. So basically, you can generate slides and nice presentations from this tool easily. And to be honest, the design is perfect. Sometimes the visual is perfect, and most of people cannot recognize this from AI. And also, this is very convenient because you can connect this tool with Codex cursor. You can manipulate Dokie from MCP, so you can control from them. And what is it says let content lead the design. Yeah, actually, you can find some nice templates on internet, right? But sometimes it's just not fit for your content. Dokie can generate designs that actually fits your content, which is very nice. So behind Dokie, you got many leading AI tools that can help you with behind the powerful Dokie. In fact, you got the leading AI models, which can help you with multi-format understanding, image generation and search, and also data logical visualization. So let's log in first. You can easily log in by your Google account. Alright, and here is our dashboard after login. This is a very clean interface, I gotta say. And when you click here, library, you can find some nice examples. And let's check this. This is a slide that's generated by Dokie, and we can check what's the example. Let's click here, play. Wow! Not only you got a perfect design, but also you got nice animations, right? And also transactions. That's so dope, right? And let's go back. Let's create one from our own. So my prompts like make introduction slides for me to introduce me to new people. And my name is James Chi. You can find more information about me from my website. And if you have any attachments, you can click here to upload. But currently I don't have any. And let's click here, generate. So after click the button, we are bring to this page where we can find a guy named the Dokie Manager. This guy is an AI who is finding more information about our task. And then we're handed to Dokie Designer. So manager's job already done, and it only took like seconds. And now we need to decide our directions. I think we will only need like within 10 pages. And animations, we need to choose a balance. You can choose a minimal or none. And for language, you can choose from English to any languages on the list. And for the style, I think I'm choosing this one. And you can enable this, refine the outline with smart text and image search. Okay, let's click conform. Wow, now we are cleaning up our outline. So first we got the cover page and the title is James Chi. Our designer already get the information from my website. And then we have a catalog page and a professional identity page. And we have the style as a reference. If it's something that you want to make a tweak, you just tell AI by typing here. Let's click here, conform and generate. Oh, I already see some pages are generated. Okay, now the work is done. And let's click here to preview the work. Wow. And this is our contents page. And this introduces who I am and what is my role and my strengths. It's a very clean, very nice design, right? And actually, if you don't like it, in some points, you can make tweaks based on it. For example, and let's click generate. See, now I'm changing the color palette. And second one is that you can delete certain pages And you can change the layout. For example, we can click here and our designer is helping us to change the layout. Okay, now we have a different design, completely different. You can actually ask AI to refine every page, even the text. For like this one, this is my name. You can make it shorter, make it longer, let AI rewrite it. For example, like a longer version. And we can click here, replace. That's quite nice, right? And for the images as well, you can click here, add to chat, and you can make tweaks. For images, you can click here to generate a new image, or you can do web search image. And also you can upload from your computer. And for charts, you also have many options. You can do pie chart, line chart, bar chart. Let's try to add a bar chart in page 4. Yeah, something like that. And you can click here to preview the animation. And it even got a hovering effect. Oh my god, so cool. I already start to love it. And you can download the file. You can choose different format. For example, like the PDF and PPTX, because this is a format for slides that are accepted by everyone. And also you can save it by PNG. And you can even download the HTML file. Actually, you can link your AI tools to Dokie AI. How to do that? Let me demonstrate. Let's click here. And by the way, you will get 200 credits for free for your first MCP call, which is cool, right? And let's click here, generate an access token, copy the token, and let's choose Codex and copy the code directly. Let's open Codex, and you can directly ask AI to link it. Okay, let's click here. Now our Codex saying install Dokie through Codex Global plugin flow. This is the fast way I find how to install Dokie, because it used to be different steps like step 1, blah blah blah, step 2. But right now, you can directly give everything to your AI. Oh, alrighty, Dokie has been installed successfully. To find this, open Codex plugins and look for Dokie and Dokie Codex. Let's click here, plugins. In fact, you just need to type /Dokie, and you can directly ask AI to connect to Dokie and make a presentation inside of the Codex. For example, so I'm gonna make a presentation about my YouTube channel. I will send this doc to every stakeholders and potential partners. Okay, let's copy the link and type here. Okay, let's do it. So my Codex says, I'm using the Dokie presentation skill to turn your channel into a stakeholder-ready animation. I will first review the skill instructions and your public channel contents. Okay, let's go. So Dokie is not only a powerful AI website now, but also one of the skill of Codex. Alright, in our Codex, now we have a theme previews. I think I'm gonna go with the first one, Black Industry Report. And then you got any other styles as well, but let's reply with the first one. Whoa, now we have an outline of our presentation. So it will be a 12 pages long presentation. And let's ask AI to generate it now. And also for this time, because Dokie can generate amazing visuals by GPT image tool, so let's ask as well. Okay, now our 12 slide stakeholder deck is ready, and we can click here to open. Wow! And let's click play. Wow, so cool. Next page. It's actually analyzed all my tutorials and all my videos and makes this a powerful presentation. Ooh, the animation is cool. And even the front pic is quite professional, I say. That's so dope. Actually, some of the text that you already can fix, you can directly add it by here. And you can add a chart, you can add an image, you can tweak everything inside of this doc. And after that, you can click here, download the PPTX format. Okay, now the presentation is done. Let's open it. Well, actually, let's click play. So after download it, you can edit it by Keynote or you can edit it by Office. Make it your own style. Okay, this is how you generate a fantastic presentation by Dokie AI. I hope you like this. And don't forget to check the link in the description. Hey, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comment in the comment section. And I will see you on the next one.